This mini life hack introduces a pocket-sized to-do tracker, a single sticky note folded into 4 labeled quadrants that replaces multiple apps and keeps tasks visible. First, the top left quadrant holds one must-do today, top right lists 2 quick wins, bottom left notes a reminder, bottom right stamps a completion dot. The visual cue creates momentum by simplifying priorities, reducing decision fatigue, and delivering a satisfying sense of progress. Viewers can reuse any sticky note and adapt labels to fit their day. Consistency turns small actions into big results.